Hi, Nathalie de Rémieux here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily add a cookie notification on your WordPress site. So first you're going to go to your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins and click on add new. And then we're going to search for cookie consent. And we're going to use this plugin called Cookie Consent from Catapult Themes. You're going to click on Install Now and then Activate. Once it's activated, you'll go to Settings, Cookie Consent. And here you're going to see some of the setups. So you can choose if the section is going to be closed on a click of a button, on scroll, or if it's timed. So if you choose timed, then you can set the duration here on how many seconds you want it to show. All right, you can show to have it display on the first page only, exclude some pages, exclude some zones, set the expiration of the cookie, and then save changes. The second tab is the content tab, and that's where you're going to choose the text that you want to display. So here I'm going to say this site uses cookie. By using this site, you accept our cookie policy as described in our privacy policy. And then you have a button. Then you can choose what you want the link to be named. So I have find out more. It's linking to a cookie policy page that has the actual policy. Or you can choose to link it to an outside external link, open in a new tab, and this is the label of the button to actually close, right? So we saved changes. And then the last tab is the styling. This is where you're going to decide where it displays, the colors of the text, of the background and everything. So here I have put it at the bottom. You can put like a CSS class if you want to style it. But you can choose basically the text color, background color, the link color, button color, etc. And you can even use the X if you prefer that they close with the X sign, okay? So once you've done that, basically visit the site, and then you can see this bar show up at the bottom. So it's going to stay there until I close it because I chose to hide it on click, okay? So I can click here to find out more, and go to directly to the cookie policy file, or I can click on close to just close the window like this. I hope it's helpful, and I'll catch you next time.